everybody. Today I'll talk to you about the topic auxiliary science, macrolinguistics. Okay, what is? Its five branches are involved in discovering problems and giving answers to them. The first is psycholinguistics. It is study the relation between language and human mind along with the processes involved in language acquisition. The second is sociolinguistic. It is concerned with language in social and cultural contexts. The third is neurolinguistics. It is a study how language is represented in the brain. The next is anthropological linguistics. It is a study of language as a resource and speaking as a cultural practice. Language acquisition is the final. Okay, it is the study how individuals acquire any language. In my opinion, is the auxiliary or sub-branches help at macrolinguistics to classify the parts of language and the people can understand better. In conclusion, it is important because the person learning a new language can facilitate understanding the structure and different accent or pronunciation of words. The new language and so helps the auxiliary or sub-branches see the topics more explicitly. Okay, now the next topic is the difference between sociolinguistics and sociology of language. The sociolinguistic is a study influence of society and language includes cultural norms, expectations, and context in which speakers move. And sociology of language is search the composition of social systems through the models, content, and uses of language. In my opinion, it is a difference of sociolinguistics and sociology of language. It is important to differentiate one from the other because although they have similarity, they are not the same. In sociolinguistics, it focuses more on the words or accents that are spoken of the place, where one is on sociology of language it is not. In conclusion, sociolinguistics is the society in language. It is how the society affects in the language. That is to say, observe the same property by the different social forms. In sociology of language, seek the understanding of the social system through the models, content, and uses of language. That is, it reflects how functionally of the social and how it influences the. And finally, the topic is definition of words. The first word is variety. It's a group of things that share general features and differ in some details. The second is macrolinguistic. It's the study of the natural language with inclusion of semantics, grammatics, and sociolinguistics. The third word is accent. The way in which people in a particular area, country, or social group pronounce words. The next is standardization. It's the process of making digs of the same type. The next is vitality. It's used to describe the capacity of a person to live. The word next is dialects. It is a form of language the people speaking in particular part of country containing some different words and grammar. The next is autonomy. The right of an organization to govern itself. The next is reduction. It is characterized by the international abandonment of one language in favor of another. That is, they are those words of the language that are no longer used, exist but are no longer spoken. The next is sociolinguistic. Is the study of how language is used by different groups in society. And finally, is the style. Is a way of doing something, especially one that is typical of a person, group of people, place, or period. In my opinion, it is a form of learning to defining the words because these words we see in the class of macrolinguistics. In conclusion, it is a new form to acquire new vocabulary because I did not understand some of the words, but now more or less I understand what they mean. Thank you so much for your attention. See you next video. Bye.